Hello students, now we are going to see the balance sheet. Here, very important, you need to write first here. I'm writing balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. Remember, this date and your income and expenditure date 2018 should be same. It will be same. So write that. Then you write your liabilities, amount rupees, assets, amount rupees. Yes, see this rupees and all, it is small, but it is very important. They cut marks. To write the balance sheet, yes, you have to see the given balance sheet of the question. Balance sheet alli liabilities side in kottidare. See, outstanding office expense. Outstanding office expense, this amount was already adjusted here, 5,000. So forget it. Next in kottidare, bank loan. Yes, same bank loan 35,000. Copy it and write here. See, I'm writing bank loan. Amount I'm writing, see, 35,000. Inner column I'm writing. Why? About bank loan, they have told here. See? Yes. Bank loan. Question alli kottidare. Bank loan repaid 5,000. Bank loan repaid andre pay madidare. They have paid. It means nimge bank loan ittu 35,000. Adaralli 5,000 see? Yes, it is 5,000 you have paid. So iga bank loan kadme agbekalla, you have to less it. Less 5,000. So that will give you now your bank loan is 30,000. Yes, your bank loan was 35,000. Loan ittu adralli 5,000 you have repaid. Pay ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So ಈಗ loan ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು ಈಗ? Only 30,000 is your liability, is your bank loan. Next one, what it is told? Check the liabilities. Bank loan you have done. Next is capital fund 1,20,000. Same exactly copy and write here. That is capital fund 1,20,000. Please write, it's very important. Always I've told in the previous video also, capital fund you always have to add your surplus. Add surplus. Surplus is this, what you have got, this calculation, this amount you're going to write. See, 11,300. Next one, always for the capital fund you're going to add entrance fees. Entrance fees, what they had told, see, 50% entrance fees. So of entrance fees was amount was how much? 8,000 Allah. 50%, that is 4,000 you have written here. See, this year 4,000 you have written. Of 8,000, 4,000 you have written. How much is remaining now? Yes, 4,000 is remaining. So that 4,000 you add here. Yes. Then about donation, what they had told in the question, 100% capitalize, full 100% in the donation is to the 12,000. So entire 12,000 you have to write here. Yes. Add this all item, only this 1, 2, 3, 4. Add this, it will give you 1,47,300. Please use your calculator. So what did I do? First I wrote now bank loan, which was here 35,000 I wrote here. Repaid agide from this 5,000. Repayment madidra new. So 30,000 now. Capital fund, always remember capital fund amount this. You will add surplus. Second, you will add entrance fees. Why 4,000? Because they have told 50% entrance. Donation full 100%. So full amount I have taken, donation 12,000. Life membership fees illi kottidre or anywhere you have to write here. Remember, in other problems we will see that much. Now one thing, subscription received in advance. Always please write a note. I have told in the previous video. Subscription received in advance, it is your current liability. So what is the subscription received in advance? That is 2019 year, it is advance for you. So that 5,000 you write here. Yes, finished. Your liability is done. Now we will write your assets. How to write the assets? It's easy. Just follow your given balance sheet. First in kottidare cash in hand 15,000. Write cash in hand, but the amount always this amount 26,800 down. Carried down in kottaralla, this amount you will take. So write cash in hand 26,800. Fine. Yes. Next in helidare furniture 25,000. Yes, furniture 25,000. As it is, copy and write furniture 25,000. Yes. Next, what it is told, building 70,000. But building again, what you have done? See here, depreciation you have done. Building depreciation 10%. See, you have solved here. Building depreciation. So it is building 70,000. less depreciation 7,000 will give you 63,000. Use your calculator, please. Yes. Next, what it is there? Cash in hand is done. Furniture is done. Building is done. Next is sports material. As it is, right? Sports material, yes, 20,000. Yes. Fine. Next, see, cash in hand is done. Furniture is done. Building is done. Sports material is done. Now is library books. It's an asset. But library books, what they have told you, see, purchase of books 10,000. We did not write it here. Remember? So this 10,000 purchase of books you will write. See, that is library books. Eshtide 30,000. 30,000 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದು library books 30,000. Add purchase how much? 10,000. 10,000 from where? This. That will give you 40,000. Fine. I hope you could see. Library books 30,000 I have written. Add purchase 10,000. That will give you 40,000. Next one is always this. Outstanding subscription. Subscription outstanding. Subscription outstanding as andre. This is the money you will receive. You're going to receive by the year end 2018. So that will be your current asset. So that will be 5,000. Then one thing, salary prepaid. Salary prepaid means it is a salary which you have paid. It's your asset. Next year's salary ಈಗೇನೆ pay ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ ನೀವು. So isn't it your current asset? Yes, it's a current asset. So how much? 2,500. So now make the total both the side. Remember, both the side it should tally. It will tally. It will give you 1 lakh. That is 82,300. So this side also 1 lakh 82,300. Use your calculator. Yes. Thank you.